Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful parts of a Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG pipeline. How embeddings are stored in a vector database, explained in the simplest way possible. Imagine you run a huge YouTube channel with hundreds of videos, tech tutorials, vlogs, interviews, and you want an AI chatbot that instantly finds the right answer from all your transcripts. How does the AI remember so much content? That's where vector databases come in. Once you've converted your text or video transcripts into embeddings, which are basically numerical fingerprints of your data, the next step is to store them in a vector database like Pinecone, Weaviate, or Chroma. Think of it like saving each of your YouTube video moments into a digital library, where instead of searching by exact words, the AI searches by meaning. So if a viewer asks, "What is LangChain?" your AI doesn't just look for those exact words. It finds the most semantically similar segment, even if you said LangChain helps connect LLMs with external data. That's the magic of vector search. It's context-aware retrieval. For example, let's say your company stores customer support emails or internal knowledge docs. By embedding and saving them in a vector DB, you can build a chatbot that gives instant, accurate answers. No more scrolling through thousands of messages. It's like having a super smart assistant that truly understands your content. And that's how storing embeddings in a vector database becomes the memory layer of your AI system. In the next video, we'll talk about how your model retrieves and generates the perfect answer using those vectors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified AI breakdowns.